Alright, so today guys we got a brand new washing machine from LG. It's a top load fully automatic washing machine. So I'm gonna do unboxing for this washing machine. It just got delivered. Let me take a closer look. So first let's try to unpack the box and see what's inside. Yeah, here we go. Let me open the box and see what's inside. Okay, packing here, and there we go. Alright, so it looks pretty cool. It's 6.2 kg capacity, fully automatic top load washing machine. You can look at the, so you may have a close look at the panel. So there are a couple of function keys available here. There is a LED panel, then we have different wash functions given. There is a start and pause, there is a power off, and there is something given as smart diagnostics. So one good feature about smart diagnostic is about it gives you one app to control, and it does one auto diagnostics when there is any trouble on the machine, and it sends the details directly to the service center. So that is one good thing about it. It calls a TurboDrum function. So let's take another look. So this is how it feels. So let me just put it down. Take this thing out. Okay, this is what we got. I believe this black panel was given here is to protect from the rodents. So it will go below your washing machine. And there is another box inside. So I'm not sure. I guess they have given one detergent, so that is from Ariel, so that is good. It's a complimentary one. So there's a complimentary detergent with a British pipe here. Alright, and let me have a look. So this is the connector for proper water inlet. So I guess this is gonna get fit into your tap, and it will be permanently fit on there, and then you can just pull and put it off whenever it is needed. And this end would be mounted on your washing machine. So that's how it will work. Okay, so let me take another look here. So there is a box for detergent. You can place the detergent here. You can close it, and there is a filter out here which you need to clean up whenever needed. So this is made up of fully plastic. So I guess it's a good innovative design, and feels really good. The body internally looks so solid. The pulsator looks nice. There are 3 different more pulsator here. I'm not sure what is the function here. Maybe it's come out and it will give some boost up while doing it. Alright, so this is how it looks. So it looks very neat and perfect. I think it comes with the motor warranty. The engine motor mode is designed for inverter technology. It has a start function. These are the panels. So demo is not yet done, so I cannot tell you about all the functions, how they work, but it feels good. And as you can see, there are like some necessary instructions given over here. So that's about it. Really looks nice. So first impression is really good. It's not very heavy loaded, so you can move it easily around your house. So as you can see, so this is about the back panel. Let me give you a close look on the back panel. It's all covered, as you can see. So looking nice and tidy. And I guess this is the inlet washing machine for the water. This is the holder for the cable. That's about it. It's fully covered. I guess they have one function for child safety also. So yeah, looks nice. Let's see how it goes. Once after a while, I'll try to put one demo also on how it looks, how it works. So thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like the video, hit subscribe, and do let me know in your comment box what you want me to cover more in the demos and the unboxing tutorial like this. Thanks a lot for today. Thanks for your time.